Hello and good morning. Dear students, welcome back to this video lecture series. Dear students and friends, today we are going to have a practice exercise based on models. Yes, since we have covered the whole topic models, so today we are going to have a practice exercise based on models. So let's get started without wasting any time. So let's have a look on practice exercise. There are plenty of tomatoes in the fridge. You buy any. It's a hospital. You smoke here. He has been working for 10 hours. He be tired. I speak German when I was a child. The teacher says we read this book for our own pleasure as it is optional, but we read it if we do not want to. You stand on your head for more than a minute? No, I. If you want to learn English, you to work hard. You not leave small objects lying around. Such objects be valued by children. And you walk on the grass. Prohibition. And you take umbrella, it is not raining. You speak Italian? No, I. So see student, there are plenty of tomatoes in the fridge. Plenty means a number of, in a great quantity. There are plenty of tomatoes in the fridge. Means there are many tomatoes in the fridge. फ्रिज में पहले से ही बहुत सारे टोमेटोज टमाटर हैं. You buy any. आपको कोई खरीदने की ज़रूरत है या नहीं है? नहीं है. ऑलरेडी देयर आर मेनी टोमेटोज. सो आपको और ख़रीदने की आवश्यकता नहीं है, ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो जो आवश्यकता नहीं है, ज़रूरत नहीं है, फॉर दैट वी यूज़ मॉडल नीड. एंड नीड हियर वी विल यूज़ इन नेगेटिव सेंस. सो नीड not. All right, so there are plenty of tomatoes in the fridge. You need not buy any. Not necessary, not required. Not necessary and not required, for that we use need not. All right, see the next. It's a hospital. You smoke here. It's a hospital, so can you smoke here or not? You cannot. So it is a restricted zone. Smoking is here prohibited. So for prohibition and restriction we use model must. Must with not. Must not. So it's hospital. You must not smoke here. Means you cannot smoke here. It is prohibited. He has been working for 10 hours. He be tired. वो 10 घंटे से काम कर रहा है. He be tired. सर्टेनिटी, आप श्योर हो कि वो तक थक ही गया होगा. When there is certainty, for certainty we use model must. So he must be tired. Since he has been working for long time, so he must be tired. I speak German when I was a child. When I was a child, I was able to speak German. Okay, but there is no guarantee whether or not I am able to speak German right now. Okay, here I am talking about my childhood. When I was a child, I was able to speak German. So this is my past ability, and for past ability we use could. Yes, I could speak German when I was a child. The teacher says we read this book for our own pleasure as it is optional. टीचर हमें कहते हैं कि हम ये बुक पढ़ सकते हैं हमारे खुद के प्लेजर के लिए, आनंद के लिए. इट इज़ ऑप्शनल. ये ऑप्शनल है. इट्स नॉट मैंडेटरी. इट्स नॉट कंपल्सरी. ओके, दैट यू मस्ट रीड एंड रीड. इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन. आपको आनंद के लिए, मज़े के लिए अगर ये बुक पढ़नी है तो आप पढ़ सकते हो. इट इज़ ऑप्शनल. बट वी रीड इट if we don't want to read. लेकिन अगर हम इसे नहीं पढ़ना चाहते हैं तो हमें पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Why? Because it is optional. So teacher says that हम चाहे तो इसे पढ़ सकते हैं. So we can read this book for our own pleasure as it is optional, but we read it if we don't want to. और अगर हम नहीं पढ़ना चाहते हैं इसे तो पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ज़रूरत नहीं है. नीड नॉट, वी नीड नॉट रीड इट. हमें पढ़ने की आवश्यकता नहीं है. इफ़ वी डोंट वॉन्ट टू रीड, अगर हम पढ़ना नहीं चाहते हैं तो हमें पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, सिंस इट इज़ ऑप्शनल. ऑल राइट, सी द नेक्स्ट. You stand on your head for more than a minute? It's a question. No, I. So somebody is asking you that are you able to stand on your head for more than a minute? And you say no, I. क्या आप आपके सिर पे 1 मिनट से ज़्यादा टाइम तक खड़े रह सकते हैं? मीन्स उल्टा, upside down. And you say no, I cannot. So somebody is asking about your capacity. Can you do so? No. So for present capacity we use can. Can you stand on your head for more than a minute? No, I cannot. This no talks about the negative sense. So we'll write no, I cannot. If you want to learn English, you to work hard. अगर इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हो तो you to work hard. Be very very particular. आपको बहुत मेहनत करने की ज़रूरत है. Since it is to, no model is followed by to. All right? You cannot write here must, should, because it is to here. So here you will write you need to work hard. तुम्हें बहुत मेहनत करने की आवश्यकता है. Now this need is not a modal auxiliary. This need is a main verb. It is followed by to plus verb first form. All right, here it is main verb. So here this need is not a modal. Need is used in negative sense and it is used in interrogative sense. All right, so here need is used as a main verb. It is not used as a modal. All right, because all modals are followed by first form of the verb, but here it is followed by to. And I told you the difference between need as a main verb and need as an auxiliary modal. Okay, so when need is used as a main verb, need is always followed by to. All right, so it is a main verb. You not leave small objects lying around. आपको छोटी मोटी चीज़ें से फैला के छोड़ नहीं देनी चाहिए. क्यों? सच ऑब्जेक्ट्स बी स्वेलोड बाय चिल्ड्रन. ऐसी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें बच्चे निगल सकते हैं. सो यू नॉट लीव स्मॉल ऑब्जेक्ट लाइंग अराउंड. आपको छोटी छोटी चीज़ें ऐसी फैला के नहीं रखनी चाहिए. दिस इज एडवाइस एंड फॉर एडवाइस वी यूज शुड. यस, यू शुड not leave small objects lying around. Such objects be swallowed by. ऐसे ऑब्जेक्ट्स बच्चों द्वारा निगले जा सकते हैं. there is strong possibility. all right, so such objects may be swallowed by children. ऐसी चीज़ें बच्चों के द्वारा निगली जा सकती है. so you need to be very very particular that you should not leave small things lying around. You walk on the grass. You walk on the grass in the bracket prohibition. At any cost you will not do so. And for prohibition, for restriction we use must not. All right, so you must not walk on the घास पे नहीं चलोगे, रोड पे चलोगे. All right, similarly you must not smoke in the hospital. Similarly you must not walk on grass. This is restriction. You take umbrella. It is not raining. बारिश नहीं हो रही है तो छाता ले जाओ. छाता ले जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Not required, need not. You need not take umbrella. Why? Because it is not raining. You speak Italian? No, I. Somebody is asking you, are you able to speak English? Italian? No. So here Can you speak Italian? No, I cannot. All right.